Human civilization is not complete without its art, the highest form of expression of human intelligence. You have become complacent, sitting down and allowing the other nations to run away with everything. You have become a bunch of consumers. You are creators. Rise up, mighty people, accomplish what you will. Without confidence, you're twice defeated in the race of life.
They took away the voices that gave the people pride. Now we're plunging into darkness. We all have to play our part, make a bold start. Every distract, tell every artist. Media houses, we notice, still have support the slackness. How so much alcohol in our parties. While the girls are broke out of this upper where she drink, knock her out. Now she no care with them crap her up.
It's times like these I'm missing our heroes. Times like these I really wish they were around. Shouldn't have to be like this. Marcus Garvey, we know so you try your best, but we have to go do the rest.
The grade up the shot at them, now we have a lot of them. Press up, back up, now the grave them a go back at them. Them block the national bird wing. Sell we out clean, me not think we own a damn thing. Jam rock why we giving in to the trick where them a trick we from the beginning. Parents you need to wake up from the slumber release with children, blood them is running.
It's times like these I'm missing our heroes. Times like these I really wish they were around. Shouldn't have to be like this. But Marley, we know you never die in vain. We gonna rise again. Hey,
make we use the fist, hold the bell beat, promise till it's well. Nobody now go hear if you know yellow. This is where them tell you about the bucket we go well. Black woman put on your baggy, that's something they no fi sell. And so we get fed was the society go well. Go ask them and who put the crab in a barrel. BM opposition no not done with the quarrel. Unite, come together, teach the people how to chill.
it's times like these I'm missing our heroes. Times like these I really wish they were.
On your search for the most high, did you look inside? And on your journey for happiness, did you check your life? While you're looking for love, you should look inside. So sad you're living in darkness when you're the light. All your unmolested lies, they become your truth. You know you slept with her last night, now you say it's not your cute. She likes to play the game, she thinks it's cute. So sad we're living in darkness. Tell the truth, who's responsible? Who's responsible? Who's responsible? Ask yourself this question. There's no one to put the blame on. Hey, you stole me from my land. Look how you treat me cruel. Trying to take away my culture, doing the things I do. And you love to play the game, cause you make the rules. So sad we're living in darkness, you hide the truth. You say you're searching for a friend, are you a friend yourself? Am I alone on this battlefield, or will you help? And on your search for someone to save you, can you save yourself? So sad you're looking for something you already have. Who's responsible? Who's responsible?
Something's gotta give. Me get a daughter now, so me have to think smarter now. It means that me a think constructive. It's like some brain I make smarter now. Over the years we put in the work, spent running on me shirt. Yes, the work I pay off ya now. And that's why we are tour the world and board those. I mash up all the charts ya now. Cause something's gotta give. Most of the youth them now no manners. Parents I get soft ya now. On a TV ya grow the youth them. SpongeBob and Patrick, no mention South Park ya now. And if them all a surf the internet and you not even a check a monitor where them a watch ya now. Oh you want kick and box ya now. When the same little picnic them a tell you about your cloth ya now. Cause something's gotta give. Righteousness I get less and more than Rasta now. And for the people them, dash where them Bible is like, so nobody now listen to no pastor now. And that is why the place in a state, hurricane and earthquake, and a pure disaster now. And me say east, west, north and south, I be a joke, we not even have water now. Because some things gotta give. Oh yes, we got to live. You have to watch your life, got to live. Cause someone's gotta give. It means that if you live in negative, it can't amount to nothing positive. Cause someone's gotta give. So even though you don't know when it is, it's good that we protect you when you win and you say but this. You cannot outsmart the rules, them no feel like you always. Because the fact that the matter is, some things gotta earn. Investment scheme for fulfill dreams. See it, the whole of them crash and now. Me touch certain ends, enough range and bends. Me a tell you enough be a myself laugh ya now. And me a tell you say ya, well if a man did have US na millions and them can't even find a quarter now. The whole thing stop ya now. Millionaire turn papa now. Some things gotta give. For a while we a depend on oil, the world run off a gas and now. And there's no solution for all of the pollution. The river them full of
every corner I turn, I see your face. Everywhere that you go, I'm at that place. I just can't escape you. No coincidence. When I think that it's over, you see me again. See me again. I don't know your name or where you come from, but it seems like we met before. Cause ever since the day I see you at that place, I've been coming back to see you some more. I've been talking to myself, trying to figure out if you put a spell on me. Is this a sign? Yeah, you keep running to my mind. Yeah. When I close my eyes at night, when I sleep, you meet me in my dreams. Try to pinch myself so I can wake up and I see you on my plasma screen. When I go outside and the sun shines down, I see you shine on no one. Is this a sign? Am I running out of time? Cause every corner I turn, every corner I turn, you're there. I see your face. Everywhere that you go, I'm at that place. I just can't escape you. No coincidence. When I think that it's over, you see me again.
Shine. Well, every beat of your heart, you know I feel it, girl. No matter how far we're apart. Yeah, and every beat of my drum, I got to feel it, girl. The timing got you well caught. Yeah, we got them beat from start, no matter how them talk. And I tell we say we just not go last. Girl, call my beat your beat when we get together. One beat number one pon the chart. Girl, if you listen when me talk, you're the light in my dark. Loving keep on rising. Head if you go walk down the path, yalla you a keep the spark. That's how we keep vibing. Girl, you make a fire ignite in my brain every night. You and me colliding. Girl, you know what you are when me want. You have to talk, me have to chant. And I got nothing hiding. I tell you every beat of your heart, you know I feel it, girl. No matter how far we're apart. Yeah, and every beat of my drum, I got to feel it, girl. The timing got you well caught. Yeah, we got them beat from start, no matter how them talk. And I tell we say we just not go last. Girl, call my beat your beat when we get together. One beat number one pon the chart. Girl, anytime I call you or me text, girl, you know what happens next. Girl, come put it on me. Girl, you know you love it when we flex. Good music when we make. It's just like ecstasy. So nobody watch when them hate for you and me. Don't watch them jealous free. Girl, you know you're not fi bother fret. Girl, you not gonna lose the bet. Girl, you love luck and I got the key. Well, every beat of your heart, you know I feel it, girl. No matter how far we're apart. Yeah, and every beat of my drum, I got to feel it, girl. The timing got you well caught. Yeah, we got them beat from start, now man.
Baby, let me be the motherfucker you down. Me know you're tired of running around. Loving me give you fair plus run with the clown. Let me be the motherfucker you down. So you can meet me at the altar in your gown. Me know you're tired of running around. The search is over, the right when you fall. Let me be the one to take you. She played the game so long and now she can't score. And I said she don't wanna be a player no more. Been with so many men and you different man from all the one them you been with before. I'm the man to make you happy, ease your pain cause you are hurt. Put your first in my life, all when them dish your dirt. Baby, let me give you comfort with all of the loving where you need and all the money that you work hard. Baby, let me be the man to factor you down. Me know you're tired of running around. Loving me give you fair play for run with the clown. Let me be the man to factor you down. So you can meet me at the altar in your gown. Me know you're tired of running around. The search is over, the right man you found. Let me be the one to take you. You not get no younger, you know that this little girl again. Look how long me know you're more than just a friend from you again. Stop pretend, make up your mind and be your lover then. From your past mistake you learn to set some better future. Baby girl, I'm not here to judge you, this is not a trial. Why? Every girl always want live in denial. And deep down them want to settle down. Me I look a girl like TAURUS, Riley, one with a royal. Baby, let me be the man to factor you down. Me know you're tired of running around. Loving me give you fair play to run with the clown. Let me be the man to factor you down. So you can meet me at the altar in your gown. Me know you're tired of running around.
Could it be because you're good to me that it feels like magic? Well, I wouldn't have it any other way. No, I wouldn't have it any other way. I get butterflies every time we touch. Wouldn't it be tragic if we couldn't feel this every day? If we couldn't feel this every day? I see your gumdrop, sugar-coated lip lock, got me wanting more and more of you. You make my heart stop and my tummy flip-flop, got me needing more and more of you. Gonna be the one to catch you, 'cause I know you need me too. I wanna be the only one to save your world. You're super girl, now you know that I can't let you go. Loving you got me on my tippy toes, always true. Boy, I wanna be your super girl in your world. Now you know that I can't let you go. Loving you got me on my tippy toes, save your world. I wanna be your super girl in your world. Waking up to the thought of you is so fantastic that I couldn't have it any other way. No, I couldn't have it any other way. I'm missing you and everything you do. I'd never take you for granted, 'cause I wanna feel this every day. Yes, I wanna feel this every day. I said your gumdrop, sugar-coated lip lock, got me wanting more and more of you. You make my heart stop and my tummy flip-flop, got me needing more and more of you. Gonna be the one to catch you, 'cause I know you need me too. I wanna be the only one to save your world. You're super girl, now you know that I can't let you go. Loving you got me on my tippy toes, always true. Boy, I wanna be your
Can't tell, never know, something might just go on if you give me the right love. Don't have to worry, 'cause your name just gone inna the right book. A music you want, come get your groove on. May we sing you the right hook. Welcome to paradise, this is fresh vegetable, guaranteed everything will be alright. Negotiate and concentrate and consolidate my thoughts. This is a serious need, more look like greed, but me sure say it more than once. No want it, can't get it, and get it, no want it. And the vibes that we feel, now we head over here, so let's have a private party. You could be my soldier without uniform, fighting in my army of love. Once you are aware, know the rules and not afraid of love, we can get it on. Anytime, 7-Eleven, alright. Can't tell, never know, something might just go on if you give me the right love. Don't have to worry, 'cause your name just gone inna the right book. A music you want, come get your groove on. May we sing you the right hook. May not have all the answer, but this is my mantra. Yes, everything will be alright. Me not carry you go McDonald's. We got herbs and spice things optional. Now let's be practical. We can go check me doctor friend up at the hospital. And don't you ever take it personal, 'cause this is forever, it no seasonal. And let's get physical. This are the original where we have. You could be my soldier. With or without uniform, fighting in my army of love.
Well, excuse me, miss, can I tell you straight? You're messing with my mind. There's something going on in my brain. You got me hypnotized. I feel your body all over me. And if you're so real, could you be the woman I've been waiting for? The one just for me. Cause it's so amazing how you make me want you more and more. And it's crazy how you're running through my mind back and forth. I can't explain this sexy supernatural control. Tell me, lady, cause I really need to know. Are you telepathic? Cause the vibe that you're sending is so damn erotic, girl. Telepathic. Cause you're sending a message, God knows that I got it, girl. Telepathic. Cause the vibe that you're sending is so damn erotic, girl. So damn erotic, girl. Well, let me tell you straight, I am not like this. I never really talk to strangers. But if I didn't step up to you, girl, I think I'd be in danger of losing my mind, losing this chance. I'm not gonna let this moment pass. I'm gonna let this moment last. You got me in a trance. Cause it's so amazing how you make me want you more and more. And it's crazy how you're running through my mind back and forth. I can't explain this sexy supernatural control. Tell me, lady, cause I really need to know. Are you telepathic? Cause the vibe that you're sending is so damn erotic, girl.
Even when I'm miles away, yeah, yeah. You know you'll always be my lady. Even when you're miles away, yeah, yeah. You know you'll always be my baby. I'm far away, my dear, longing to hold you near. The thoughts of you are on my mind. I'm missing you all the time. It's you I'm longing for. Wanna be where you are. Even when we're far apart, girl, you're in my heart. Even when I'm miles away, yeah, yeah. You know you'll always be my lady. Even when you're miles away, many miles away, yeah, yeah. You know you'll always be my baby. Girl, when I see your eyes, the way I make you smile, I just wanna be your man. So glad you are the special one. Ooh, when I touch your face and I'm in your embrace, that keeps me holding on. It keeps me strong, even when I'm miles away.